Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my Purple Kitchen. Over the last couple of weeks, I've done some videos on how to cook inexpensively, but healthy and filling and delicious. Just recently, I finished off a potato soup dish that was very inexpensive. And then I did a kidney bean, green bean, corn, and then a bunch of vegetables from my son's garden and my garden. Mixed it up with an Italian dressing. Those two videos have already run. A couple days later, I still have lots of soup left. We're on our third day with that pot of soup I made. And then I'm on my third day of the Italian salad I made. So, with that said, when you go to the store, keep your eyes open. You can find your sales, but I always go out and check the bakery. The bakery the other day at one of the stores had that French bread, 78 cents. Usually it's $1.50 for the big loaf. They had a day left on them before they couldn't sell them. They marked them to 78 cents. You cannot pass that up, in my opinion, because I can eat that in 2 days. We made I made tomato sandwiches out of it. I had my tomatoes from my son's garden, free, 78 cents bread. I cut it in half, cut it lengthwise, a little mayo, tomato, salt and pepper. I had myself a delicious tomato sandwich, which I love, for pennies because the tomatoes were free. Just a little mayo and half a loaf is what? About 37, 38, 39 cents for that amount of bread. So I had an easily under a dollar meal that was healthy, good, filling, delicious. This week, they had these little croissants, caissons, whatever, however they say it. I think these were under $1 for a dozen. They just had them in a bag. They had a day to go on them. They put a yellow tag on them, buy now, special, blah, blah, blah. So I heat them up in the microwave and I just break them up in my dish, much like a biscuit. And then I reheated some of my potato soup. And then what I do with my potato soup is I dump it over like it's biscuits and gravy. And just like that. So my lunch today consists of my Italian salad, beans, tomatoes, onions, my zucchini, provolone cheese. Very delicious, very healthy, very, very filling. And I've really 2 croissants broken up very inexpensively, covered in my potato soup. And let me just get a. So they're buttery. Croissants are buttery. Pardon me. And like I said the other day, this also has my parsley, and it has some cilantro and green onion that I've got growing in my window. Like I said, excuse me, this gets better every day. All of those Italian seasonings and the dressing, the oil and the vinegar really intertwine with all of the fresh vegetables. And this hot potato soup over the biscuit or a croissant or even toast. I just like chipped beef on toast, or SOS as they call it in the military. I won't say what it is, but it's SOS. If you have toast, cook up some toast, throw it in there, throw the potato soup over, all combined. I'm eating a lunch. I will have lunch tomorrow and the next day, and I still won't be done. And it just keeps getting better. So how do I eat inexpensively? Make a dish, make a big batch. There's only 2 of us in my household. Make a batch, and then I just eat off of that for 2, 3, 4 days with leftovers, and you pair it with something else that you're making fresh. That's how my mom did it. I'm sure that's how some of you do it. But give it a try. Potato soup over croissants is delicious with a side of Italian salad. I'll see you guys in the next one.